Good morning, children. What is the date today? Today is 3rd November. We have entered into the November month. The day is Tuesday. Okay, class 5th maths. Yes, today we are going to learn about a new chapter. See, which is the new chapter? Large numbers and basic operations. Yes. You know basic operations. What are our basic operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are the basic operations. Using large numbers, using this we are going to add large numbers, divide, subtract, okay, multiply. All that operations we can do using these signs. Now today, come on, go to page number 63. Open your class work, fresh page. Put lesson heading. See, you have a class work like this, no? You have a class work like this. So, draw a margin here. Here you have a small margin. Here you have a broad margin. This is known as rough column, working column. So, here you write chapter 4, chapter 3, 3. Chapter 3, large numbers. Large numbers and the basic operations, and you are going to write like this heading. Okay, children, after you write this, yes, put page name. First bit, let's do it. Page number 63. 63, read, think and solve, children. You write here, don't write let's do it. Write read, think and solve. Read, think and solve. Read, think and solve. Okay? You are going to start the sum now. You are going to copy C1. Yes. C question you copy, children. C question. Only 2 we are going to do here. Okay? In an election, copy question, children. In an election, Rajiv got ఒక్క పేజీలో ఒకటే సమ్ చేయాలి. అర్థమవుతుందా? Rajiv got 5,63,613 votes. ओके, राजीव की नोट्स चाहिए. राजीव को कितने वोट्स आए? 5,63,613 नोट्स. एंड राहत को कितने वोट्स मिला था? 3,95,920 वोट्स. ओके चिल्ड्रन, राहत को इतने वोट्स मिला. हु वन द इलेक्शन? Who won the elections? Who won the election? And by how much? And by how much? Okay? Who won the election and by how much? See children, because I don't have placed doubt, I am rubbing the question and write the answer. మీకు చూపించడానికి ఇలా రాశాను నేను. మీరు క్వశ్చన్ కిందనే ఆన్సర్ రాసుకోండి. ఓకేనా? నాకు प्लेस లేదు కాబట్టి నేను రబ్ చేస్తున్నా. मेरे को जगह नहीं है नीचे बोल के मैं रखूंगा. आपको तो क्लास में जगह जाएगा ज्यादा ना, उसके नीचे ही आंसर लिखना. ठीक है? मैं अब इसके आंसर लिखती हूँ. 63,613. ओके, राजीव को कितने ओट्स मिला? 5,63,613 ओट्स बॉट बाय राहत। राहत को कितने मिला था? 3,95,920. यस, किसको ज्यादा ओट्स आया? देखो यहाँ पर 3 है, इनको 3 लाख से चाहिए लेकिन इनको 5 लाख है। किसको ज्यादा ओट्स आया? राजीव को। और कितने ज्यादा आया वो पूछ रहे हो। अब क्या करना, दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्शन करें तो कितने ज्यादा आया पता चलता। అర్థమైందా? ఈ ఇద్దరిని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసి ఇద్దరికి వచ్చిన ఓట్స్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే ఎవరికి ఎక్కువ వచ్చాయి ఎంత వచ్చాయి తెలుస్తుంది. సరేనా? 3 - 0 3, 1 - 2 వి కాంట్ 1 లో నుంచి 2 తీయలేము. yes, so borrow 11, ఇది 5, 11 - 2 9, 5 - 9 again we can't do, 15 - 9 6, 2 - 5 again it can't be done, 12 - 5 7, 5 - 9 it is not done, 15 - 7 9 6, 4 - 3 1. तो किसको ज्यादा कितने आ गए? राजीव won the votes by, yes, राजीव को इतने ज्यादा वोट्स मिले राहत से भी. राजीव won the elections by कितने वोट्स? राजीव won the elections by नीचे लिखेंगे. Therefore, Rajiv won the elections by 1,67,693 votes more than राहत. राहत से इतने ज्यादा वोट्स आ गए उनको. more than राहत लिखो ऐसा. हो गए? yes, write neatly. ఒక్క పేజ్ లో ఒకటే సమ్ చేయాలి. do one sum in one page. ओके, अच्छा फिंगर गैप देते हुए नीट लिखो. Okay children, now I am going to write D1. D question. D question. What is the D question children? In Sneha's grocery shop. In Sneha's grocery shop, they sold articles for rupees 5,22,560 in the first week. First week में इतने पैसे कमाए करते. In the first week. Write neatly children. Give a finger gap and write neatly. Rupees 2,35,132 in the second week. Okay. Then rupees 3,21,000. Rupees 3,21,156 in the third week. Okay. And for rupees 92,250 in the fourth week. In the fourth week. Fourth week. Yes. How much did they earn money? How much did they earn that month? Yes. एक एक वीक में इतने इतने कमाए. तो 4 वीक्स में इतने कमाए पूछ रहे ना. पूरे मिलके कितने हो रहे पूछ रहे. पूरे एक महीने में कितने कमाए पूछ रहे. फर्स्ट वीक लो इन सम मैरिड. सेकेंड वीक लो दे गॉट दैट मच मनी. उतने पैसे नहीं लेते. थर्ड वीक में इतने पैसे के माल बेच लिए. फोर्थ वीक में इतना. पूरे मिलके कितने पैसे आए वो लोगों को पूछ रहे. यस. कम ऑन राइट सॉल्यूशन चिल्ड्रन. Articles sold in the first week. Articles sold in first week. First week. Okay. First week में कितने हैं? Is equal to rupees 5,22,260. Articles sold in the second week. Articles sold in second week. Second week. Second week में कितने पैसे? 2,35,132. Articles sold in the third week. Articles sold in the third week. Sold in third week. Third week. थर्ड वीक में कितने पैसे हैं? थर्ड वीक 3,21,156. Okay. Now articles sold in the fourth week. Articles sold in the fourth week. In fourth week. Fourth week. फोर्थ वीक में कितने? रुपीज 92,000. See children, there is no lakhs here. 92,250. पूरे मिलके कितने हो रहे पूछ रहे. ठीक है. When you add all this, you are going to get how much they sold in 1 month. Total they earned in that month. They earned in that month is equal to rupees. कितना ऐड करो. 2 plus 6 8. Now 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 5 14. 14 plus 5 19. 9 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. Comma. 2 plus 5 7. 8 9 10. 0 1. 5 6 7. 7 7 14 15 16 17. 7 1. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 1 11. So पूरे एक महीने में कितने कमाए? 11,70,798. Okay children, come on, write down neatly. Now go to page number 64. I'll say 2 2 and 2 2 of our homework children. Over, did you all copy it neatly? Okay, now page number 63. Now page number 63. Page number 63 children. I'll set only 2 sums in each bit. Whatever is left over is your homework. ఇంకా మిగతా 3 sums 2 sums ఉండిపోతాయి కదా, అవన్నీ మీ హోంవర్క్. Sarena? Now what is the second bit? Find the sum. Sum means yesterday find the sum. Sum means whenever you had two numbers, what the answer you get? That is known as sum. Oh, find the sum of. Okay, come on. I'll say B1. A1 only I'll say. See. What is it? 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 8 plus 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 1 plus 1005, 2, 1, 3. Okay children, this is the question. So, you are going to write this. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But here you have 7 numbers. So, first you write that number. 1, 0, 5, 2, 1, 3. Now you write these numbers. 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 8. Now 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 1. Now we are going to add. Okay? 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 1, 2. Like this. Over. Okay children? You are going to do like this. Okay now? Now shall I say D1? B and C are for homework. Now I will say D1. Copy this. Now I am going to say D1. B, C are for homework children. D1 and C now. 9, 8, 3, 5, 4, 3 plus 2, 4, 8, 1, 3. Now here 7, 8, 1, 3, 2, 1. Yes, add them now. Okay? See. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. So this much. Over. B, C are for homework here. B1, C1. Homework. Okay? Now come on, go to next bit. Third bit children. Now, what about the third bit? Third bit. Third bit I'll say C, D. A, B, E are for homework. C1 I'm going to say now. 7, 3, 4, 5. 7, 3, 4, 5. 6, 2, 8, 1. You also write like this. Far numbers. Give a gap and write. Don't write each number to attach చేసి రాసేసేయకండి numbers ని. थोड़ा जगह छोड़ के लिखो numbers में. 5, 2, 8, 9. Okay, come on. Now they are asking you to subtract. What is the bit? Subtract the following. Subtract the following children. One minus 0, 1. 8 minus 8, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 6 minus 3, 3. 5 minus 9, we can't do. So we are going to get borrow. This is 15, this is 3. 9, 6. 3 minus 8 again we can't do. So I cut 2, I cut 13. 13 minus 8, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. 2. Over. Do this children. Now D1 I am going to say. Yes, children. 8 minus 9 we can't do because 8 is smaller than 9. So borrow. ఇక్కడ 0, ఇక్కడ 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 0 minus 1 we can't do again. ఇక్కడ 2, ఇక్కడ 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 2 minus 8 we can't do again. ఇక్కడ 3, ఇక్కడ 12. 12 minus 8, 4. 3 minus 6 we can't do. It becomes 4, it becomes 13. Borrow తీసుకుంటే. So 13 minus 6, 7. 4 minus 5 again we can't do. Again borrow. This is 1, this is 14. 14 minus 5, 9. 1 minus 1, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. Okay, children? Come on. Other 3 sums are for homework, children. Other 3 sums are for homework. Yes, fifth bit is also for homework, children. Only addition and subtraction are there. You see the sign and do it correctly. Fifth bit is also for homework. Now I am going to say you fourth bit. Okay? ఈ fifth bit కూడా homework. కనిపిస్తుందా? You are going to do this. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఈ రెండు ప్లస్ చేయాలి. ఇది వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్లో నుంచి ఇది మైనస్ చేయాలి. ये दोनों पहले ऐड कर लेना. जो भी आंसर है उसमें से ये माइनस करना. इसको भी सेम. ये दोनों ऐड करना. जो भी आंसर आया उसमें से ये माइनस करना. इसको पहले माइनस करना. सी वाले को माइनस करना, फिर बाद में ऐड करना. जो भी आंसर है उसको ये ऐड करना. सुन रहे? नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू से फोर्थ बिट. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू से फोर्थ बिट, चिल्ड्रन. Fourth bit. Yes. Subtract the smallest 5-digit number from the largest 5-digit number. What is the largest 5-digit number, children? Largest 5-digit number. Largest 5-digit number. Yes. What is the largest 5-digit number is? You are going to write 5 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the largest 5-digit number. Yes. Then what is the next one? They ask you to subtract smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number. What is the smallest 5-digit number, children? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, subtract them. 9 minus 0, 9. They ask you to subtract. 9, 9, 9, 9 minus 1, 8. Okay, that's all. This is A1. Now B1. Heading. Now B1, children. What about the B1? Add the largest 6-digit number to the largest 7-digit number. What is the largest 7-digit number, children? Largest 7-digit number. Largest అన్నప్పుడు 9s వస్తాయి. Smallest అన్నప్పుడు 1 రాసి 0s. Largest 7-digit number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They are going to add largest 6-digit number. Largest 6-digit number. Largest 6-digit number is 6 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both you are going to add. They ask you to add. Okay? 9 plus 9, 18. 1. 9 plus 9, again 18 plus 1, 19. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 19. Here also 19. Here also 19. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 19. 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, children? Come on, do this. I said fifth bit is also for your homework. Yes, with this we are going to complete this exercise. Thank you.